My name is Richard Nance, and I sell used trucks. Today I'm off-site. I'm at one of our other locations. These are two twin sister 2020 Hino 26-foot box trucks. Be a great opportunity to pick up a pair of these. Mileages on one of them are 247, the other one's 292. Starting at $29,000. I'm doing both of these together. This is something different that I don't normally do. I think these would make an incredible value. These are 268As, 220 horsepower Hino engine, automatic transmission. These are non-CDL trucks. These are 26 by 97 by 102. They're in great condition. They were our leasing and rental department trucks. There are no lift gates on these trucks. Overall condition on these is in excellent condition. These are being prepped to be pulled out of the leasing or rental. They've already started the debadging process. We'll go through and get everything checked out on them. Please give Richard Nance a call, 336-996-6060, extension 1205, or 336-663-2891. Thank you.